my dad is forcing me to go out and brave the cold, so, you know, I thought I'd give you a tour of my Snowdon backyard. So, over there, is where I recorded, oh, there it is, there's the snow, is, where I recorded the Chica video, for my, my 2-year anniversary. I think, where was it, 3 years? I don't fucking remember. It's like I'm walking in, like, a tunnel. I don't know what he wanted me to do out here. I might just walk over to the picnic table that you can't see right now. You see where that, like, this thing right here is? Like, that point is? That's a swing. That's a moon swing, and my fence is 6 feet tall. Okay, I'm very tempted to... Oh. Oh. Hold on. Yeah, no, I don't... Oh, shit. My boots are gonna be full of snow after this. It is up to my knees. This is not normal weather for where I live, by the way. But the video was recorded, like, quite literally right here. Maybe a little bit further. I'm not sure where the picnic table is, and I think it's probably, like, right there, but...